The assembly design functions have been extended in BricsCAD v16. The BricsCAD Communicator module enables CAD data exchange by providing import and export capabilities in various native and neutral file formats. In v16, it's now possible to import not only the geometry, but also the product structure from other CAD assembly files. Here is a SolidWorks conveyor assembly, opened in the native eDrawings viewer. Import the assembly into BricsCAD. The geometry has been successfully imported, but without the product structure. Open the Settings panel and enable Import Product Structure. Import the model again. BricsCAD now generates the full assembly structure. Navigate through the product structure using the mechanical browser. Imported parts and sub-assemblies are represented by local companies. The Open as a Copy command allows you to copy a local component into a new document. Change the color of the part and add radius constraints to make this component parametric. After a modification, the component can be saved. The new Replace Component function allows you to replace all inserted components with a modified one. Note that all components now have a parameter to control the roller radius. Create a new common parameter to control all these internal parameters simultaneously. All rollers are changed parametrically. By changing one parameter at the assembly level, you can automatically obtain different configurations of the model. The Replace Component function also takes into account the current values of components parameters. While replacing components, BricsCAD automatically maintains the values and expressions specified for the assembly. You can try this major upgrade free of charge for 30 days by downloading it from www.bricsys.com. With BricsCAD, you get more for less.